Welcome back to another video. So it's going to be another short video today, just like the last one I posted up for my 2007 Suzuki GSX R. So today I'm going to be fitting a new fuel tank protector pad. This is an Isle of Man TT edition one. I think it's just going to look a lot better than the current one that I've got. And this being an Isle of Man TT edition, I just thought it'd be a nice little touch to add to the bike, along with the other bits that's like stamped on the yoke. So I'm going to get my heat gun out now, take the old one off, pop this new one on, and it's going to be job done pretty much. And there you have it. So that's the new item fitted to the fuel tank. I'm super happy with my choice that I've gone for. I think it just looks a lot better against the blue and also the Isle of Man TT stuff that's going on that's stamped on top of the yoke. If you are new to my channel, I do own number 81 of 150 of the 600cc version. And I'm just trying my best to add little details to just make the bike look a little bit better. Just fitted a black double bubble screen, as you can see here. And that link is in the description if you want to see how I did that. It's a very quick video. I've also just carried out a full service on this bike myself because it was leaking oil when I bought it. I've not long owned it, so I've just literally gone all out, done a full service on this, and it now runs sweet as a nut. So check that out too if you're interested in seeing how I got on. But that's it for today's video. I'll catch you all in the next one very soon because I've got some wheel decals coming, and I'll get it posted up ASAP.